This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Silvia Icaza. Move-in ready. Walk into a beautiful remodeled 4-bedroom 2-bath house with an open floor plan and wrap-around sliding glass doors overlooking the pool and covered patio. Feeling secluded and ready to have a party? Home includes hurricane impact windows and is near highway, mall, restaurants, park, beaches, boat marinas, hospital, schools and house of worship. Neighborhood has no restrictions. For more information, review the details below or contact Silvia Icaza at 786-488-4245.